Hey friends, welcome back to the kitchen. Today we're making a proper Jamaican brown stew chicken, rich, saucy, and full of flavor. Nothing fancy, just good food done right. I'm starting with boneless, skinless chicken thighs, that is, because they stay juicy and they soak up flavor like nobody's business. First things first, we're washing it with lime and vinegar. This step is non-negotiable, okay? Clean chicken, clean flavors. So as you can see, I'm trimming most of the fat off the chicken because we don't need all of that, okay? So you don't have to take it all off because it's gonna melt, but just take most of it off, okay? Now it's time to wash the chicken, and we're washing it in some cold water. And I'm going to add my vinegar, and I'm just gonna wash this chicken until the water is clear, and I'm using some lime as well. Now you can leave the chicken whole or you can cut it into chunks. Today I'm doing chunks so every piece gets coated in that gravy later. Let's chop up some vegetables or season the chicken. I'm adding onion, garlic, scallion, bell pepper, ginger, and fresh thyme. If you like tomato in your brown stew, you can add it. It's totally optional, no judgment here. For seasoning, I'm keeping it simple but bold. A little jerk marinade, not too much because we're not making jerk chicken. Some Spice Jamaica Reggae Blend and Spice Jamaica 876 red seasonings. Salt and pepper if you want, but honestly the seasoning already handles that, so you don't need to have any salt and pepper. If you don't have the Spice Jamaica seasoning, which I think you need to have, but if you don't have it, you can go ahead and just use your salt and black pepper. Add a little oil and massage everything in. Don't be shy, get in there. This is where the flavor starts. You're gonna massage the chicken until everything is coated nicely. And if you have time, you let it marinate for 15 to 30 minutes. If not, we're still moving. Life will be lifing. Now let's head to the stove. I've got a pot heating with some oil, medium-high heat. When the chicken hits the pot, let it do its thing. Don't stir it too fast. Color equals flavor. We're browning every side so the stew tastes deep and rich later. Once the chicken is nicely browned, cover the pot and let it cook for about 25 minutes. The chicken is going to release its own juices, and that's exactly what we want. All right. In my brown stew chicken, I like to add a splash of orange juice, trust me on this one, and a little ketchup for balance and body. If you like your stew darker, this is where you add browning or burnt brown sugar. Give it a good stir, cover it back up, let it simmer for 15 to 20 minutes until the sauce thickens and it coats the chicken beautifully. This is the part where your kitchen starts smelling like Sunday dinner. Neighbors peeking, kids asking what's for dinner, everybody's suddenly hungry. And just like that, brown stew chicken done. Please like, share, and subscribe for more.